Hey guys, it's Monday morning. I'm about to head out to the restaurant. Before I do, I'm going to show you what I typically eat for breakfast. For this recipe, we'll need 2 free-range eggs, a few slices of good ham, some good quality cheddar cheese, fresh basil, sun-dried tomatoes, and a tortilla. Go ahead and give your eggs a good whisk. You'll notice I haven't added any seasoning to my eggs yet, as I prefer to season the eggs once they've started the cooking process. Once your egg is whisked, take your slices of ham and roll them up into little cigars. Then slice into centimeter thick ribbons. We do ribbons as this creates texture and density. We don't want the quesadilla to be flat and flimsy. Then get your sun-dried tomatoes and slice them up into small pieces. Always keep the oil that comes in the jar, as this is packed with flavor and works really well with salads and dressings. So many people throw this away and it's such a waste. Place your pan on a low to medium heat and coat with some olive oil. Then pour in your egg mixture. We don't want the egg to start cooking too fast, so remember to control the temperature. Grate a thin layer of cheese directly onto the runny egg. A thin layer will do at this stage, as we're adding more cheese in just a moment. Season generously with salt and pepper. At this stage you can get creative and add some smoked paprika, cumin, or whatever you're in the mood for. There's no strict recipe here. The best part of cooking for yourself is that you can really follow your own instinct. Gently top the egg with your tortilla. I'm using whole grain, but you can use white if that's what you prefer. With your spatula, press onto the tortilla so the runny part of the egg runs out to the edges slightly. The cheese underneath will act as a glue for the tortilla. Once you think it's set, then go ahead and lift it up and check if the egg is ready to be flipped. Mine wasn't quite ready, as you can see, but it's all good. Grate another thin layer of cheese directly onto your egg, which should now be set onto your tortilla. Again, remember, control the heat of the pan, as we don't want that tortilla to burn. Go ahead and add your ribbons of ham and place on your sun-dried tomatoes. Then tear in some fresh basil leaves and top everything with a final layer of cheese. Then slowly fold your tortilla over and press gently to ensure it's all stuck together. Remove from the heat and slice directly through the center. Plate up and top with a further sprinkling of cheese and dive straight in. The sweet, tangy tomatoes cut through the rich cheese. The basil is the star of the show and brings everything together. The ham gives everything a salty kick. This is my perfect Monday morning breakfast. Absolutely effing delicious.